Hi guys, welcome to PC Error Detective. In this video, I will show you how to remove a virtual desktop in Windows 10 and make your workspace more organized and easier to manage. Step 1. Go to your desktop and look at the taskbar at the bottom of your screen. The taskbar is where you can access all your running apps, and it's important because this is where we will find the tool to manage virtual desktops. Step 2. Click on the double window icon to open the task view. This icon shows all your open windows and desktops, and it allows you to easily switch between or manage your virtual desktops. Step 3. You will see all your desktops listed, including desktop 1, which is your main desktop, and any additional desktops you have created. Seeing all your desktops here helps you know which one you want to remove. Step 4. To remove a desktop, click on the cross X at the top right corner of the desktop you want to delete. This action closes the selected desktop while keeping your main desktop and other important desktops active. Step 5. Repeat this process for any other desktops you want to remove. This method uses the Task View interface to keep your workspace clean and organized, and it is very simple to use. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tips.